Hi, I'm Alex, and in today's video we'll have a look at the Brydge Air Max Plus, the newest keyboard case with trackpad from Brydge, and hopefully this will help you decide if you want to go for this product. The link to it is in the description below. I am quite familiar with this type of box. It is similar to the one for Logitech Folio Touch with a magnetic lid on the side. Inside is the complete case put together. There is no need to do anything, just feed the iPad, connect it, and it is ready to be used. There is a manual, a sticker and a leaflet as well. What I like about this keyboard case is that it looks like a laptop, but the iPad is intended to be used as a tablet, because its biggest feature is the detachable magnetic cover. Think of it as the Magic Keyboard comes with a 360-degree protective cover for the iPad. I love to see that. The cover has a thin bumper and it will fit even if the iPad has a screen protector on, and it will not interfere. There are cutouts for the camera, the speakers, the charging port, the microphones, and for the power button or the fingerprint reader on the iPad Air 4. And yes, this keyboard case fits the iPad Air 4 as well as the iPad Pro Gen 1, 2 and 3. There is no cutout for the Apple Pencil. On one hand, I like it because this case offers a lot of protection for the iPad and the pencil can be charged like this. On the other hand, the pencil would not charge with the case on, because of the double layer that is between the iPad and the pencil. I have the case on because I dropped the pencil and it has a small crack at the top. It is a deal breaker as I would rather protect it and prevent any more damage. Before we review the keyboard, if you get value out of this review, don't forget to hit the like button and share with anyone that needs this information. The link to this product is in the description below if you want to check it out. The keyboard looks like the one on a laptop, which is great. I like the travel of the keys, they sound good and feel nice to type on. What I don't like is the size. These keys are quite small and very spaced. I would have gone for bigger keys although they were closer. It is difficult to press the correct one without looking at the keyboard. Although it looks sturdy, the keyboard is flexible and will bend when pressed. I like that it has the inverted T arrow keys on the bottom right corner and the function keys or the shortcut keys at the top. The home button, the screen lock button, the backlight button which has 3 levels, the screen brightness buttons, the on-screen keyboard button, the language button, the media keys, the volume keys, the Bluetooth button, and the power on/off button. On the bottom left corner it has the dictation button. Now I didn't use it, but it can be a great feature for someone that types a lot. There is only this international keyboard option and no British English option as far as I know. The best feature of this keyboard besides the removable magnetic cover is the big trackpad at the bottom. It is bigger than the one on the Magic Keyboard and it tends to perform the same. Compared to the one on the Magic Keyboard, this one can be pressed only on the bottom half. It is not an issue, it works well and I am used to this type of trackpad as I have one similar on the laptop. The gestures were great, fast and accurate. Here are some examples. There are times when the trackpad will not register the gesture or it will take longer to act on the command, but if you are used with a Bluetooth trackpad, then you can understand how this one performs. The keyboard is quite thick and heavy. This is because of the battery inside, and yes, the keyboard case doesn't support Smart Connector and it runs on batteries. It has the charging port on the right side and the full charge can last for 3 months with the backlight off and used only 2 hours a day. This is how to connect the Brydge Air Max Plus with the iPad Pro. Turn on the keyboard and press on the Bluetooth button for pairing. On the iPad, go to Settings, Bluetooth, and select the keyboard. Go to App Store and download Brydge Connect for the latest firmware update. Follow the steps on the screen. After the firmware update, you have to restart the iPad and reconnect the keyboard. Because it does not support Smart Connect and because it connects via Bluetooth, you might think that it has a delay and the keys need to be pressed a couple of times to wake up and connect the keyboard, right? The Brydge Air Max Plus has Instant On feature, which means that it is super fast, and if you open the lid or the top of the case, the keyboard will turn on automatically and it will be ready for you to use it. It is quite fast. However, if the keyboard is not used for more than 4 hours, it will have that slight delay and the keys will need to be pressed a couple of times until everything works perfectly. But it's just every 4 hours or more. Another feature is the detachable magnetic case. Brydge calls it Snap Fit case, which works like a charm. The magnets hold the case in place without any play. The Air Max Plus has drop protection up to 4 feet and antimicrobial technology, which can be defined as a substance that works to destroy or inhibit the growth and reproduction of bacteria and mold. The Brydge Air Max Plus can be used only in 2 modes or possibly 3 modes. The first one is typing mode, which will probably be the most used mode. Thanks to the adjustable hinge, it offers up to 135 degrees viewing angles. It is best to use it on the desk or flat surfaces, but you can also put it on your lap and type like that. The hinge is quite sturdy and it requires 2 hands to open. The Brydge Air Max Plus can be used in read mode. It is very easy to remove the protective case just with 2 fingers. Now you can take the iPad with you and will still have 360-degree protection. Of course, you can place the iPad on the desk and have this sketch mode, and because there is no adjustable kickstand, there is no view mode. The Brydge Air Max Plus is a great keyboard case with trackpad for the iPad. If you want a cheaper alternative to the Magic Keyboard, this is it. It has some room for improvement, like the small size keycaps, the battery life when used with full backlining and for more than 2 hours a day, and the trackpad, which is not a fault of its own but due to the Bluetooth connection. But you notice this only if you are used with other keyboards and trackpads and if you use a laptop. Besides this, it does a great job. I love the magnetic case, the cutouts align perfectly with the ports on the iPad, and the sturdy hinge offers a lot of viewing angles. All of this for £139.99. Hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. Hit the like button if so, and subscribe to be notified of other product reviews. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.